About a case in the partnership, that is of the firm has insufficient profits than the appropriations. That means partnership firm earned less than he has to pay to the partners. Okay, partners claim is more than the profits earned by the partnership firm. So we are going to discuss that case. For discussion of this case, I took an example over here. That is Suhana and Suhani, who are the siblings. Both at the midnight want to order a pizza. For ordering a pizza, Suhana had rupees 250 as a saving and Suhani has rupees 150 as a saving from their pocket money. So they both contributed towards buying a single pizza that cost rupees 400. Because Suhana contributed 250, so out of 400, his claim would be in the ratio 5 and Suhani's share would be 3 because they want to order a pizza of 8 slices which would cost rupees 400, right? So if 400 rupees pizza they have to order, they will get 8 slices of that pizza, which they decided that they would be sharing in the ratio 5:3. Now what happened? Because they were ordering at the midnight, let's say the pizza delivery firm had only one pizza left of the size of 4 slices. So they got a delivery only of 4 slice pizza. So if it would have been 8 slice, then Suhana would got 5 pieces and Suhani would get 3 slices, right? But now the delivery is of half. So their proportion would also got half. So here Suhana would get 2.5 and Suhani would get 1.5. So what happened actually? What the partners have in front of them, that would be distributed in their appropriation ratio. The ratio which was their claim ratio as they contributed 250 and 150. So this was their appropriation ratio. So if the delivery is of less, then it would also be going in the same proportion. Okay. Let's see this case with an example over here. The partnership firm earned a profit of rupees 40,000. So what was the claim over here? For Suhana, she had to receive, let's say, 25,000 as a salary and interest on capital payable to Suhani is of rupees 15,000. So this was decided among them that Suhani would receive interest on capital 15,000 and Suhana would receive a salary of 25,000 per annum. But for this sake, the firm should earn a profit of rupees 40,000. What if this profit is less value? That it is, let's say over here the profits are reduced to half, that is 20,000. So in this case, how this 20,000 profit will be distributed among the partners whose claims were of 25,000 and 15,000? As the claim is fixed but the profits are less, so the ratio would be taken in their appropriation ratio, which was 25,000 is to 15,000. So what's the ratio for Suhana and Suhani? That is 5:3. That if the total is 8, how much Suhana would receive? 5. And if the total is 8, how much Suhani would receive? 3. But here the profits were of rupees 20,000. So out of 20,000, the total is 8 divided by 8 multiplied by Suhana's share. Suhana would get the sum of rupees 12,500 and Suhani would get rupees 7,500 out of this total profit of rupees 20,000. So in this case, when your profit is less but your appropriations were more, so your profit was distributed in the appropriation ratio, that was rupees 12,500 and 7,500 as the profits were less. See बच्चे, if the firm have earned less, then partner cannot take more of the profits from the firm. They can distribute only this much. If the question is silent about their distribution and there is nothing payable to the partners, then this profit would go in the profit sharing ratio. But if the firm have decided about the salaries, about the interest on capital, about some other claims of the partners, then the given profit will be distributed in their appropriation ratio. Appropriation ratio means the ratio which was payable to them even if the firm have earned the full profits, then it would have gone in this ratio, that was 25,000 and 15,000. But as the profits got reduced to half, so their appropriations were also reduced to half. Thank you. Accountitude, like, share and comment.